how to solve the first layer of this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. People are confused at the beginning a lot. Okay, so I'll help you understand. I'll help you solve the first layer of this 3 by 3 Rubik's cube. Okay, so let's get started. So solving a Rubik's cube, it's just a matter of learning a few algorithms. Okay, so you can call it an algorithm or the steps. Okay, so it's really easy. Okay, so once you go and solve the first layer, then you'll be used to solving it. Then you can solve the second and the last layer also. Okay, so you just have to learn few steps and you can do it. Okay, so if you are newbie, do not worry. If you have watched a lot of videos and are confused, you won't get confused with this. Okay, so let's go and learn how to solve this Rubik's cube stepwise. Okay, so first of all, you have a Rubik's cube. Okay, you get an Rubik's cube. You can go and get a Rubik's cube that has magnet in it. Okay, so if you have a magnet, it's pretty smooth. Okay, so this one is a cheap Rubik's cube which costs just $3. Okay, but it's a bit hard to move. Okay, but this one is a magnetic, so it's very smooth. Okay, so you can get either one to learn, and if you have the budget of around $30 to $50, you can go with this magnetic Rubik's cube. Okay, so let's go and start solving this Rubik's cube. Now before you start, you have to know a few things about this Rubik's cube. Okay, so Rubik's cube, you can see that the centerpiece is on the center. It does not move at all. Okay, the centerpiece, you can see this orange centerpiece. Whatever you do, you can't move the centerpiece. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, so orange, white, red, yellow, blue, green. Okay, so these are the 6 centerpiece that are fixed. Okay, now the right layer. Okay, so the right layer is the layer that's on the right. Okay, so this is your right layer out here, this is your left layer out here, this is the upper layer. Okay, so the top layer is called upper layer, and this is the bottom layer. Okay, bottom layer is always on the bottom, of course, and the back layer, we call it this. Okay, and the front layer is this. Okay, so top layer, right layer, left layer, bottom layer, back layer, and the front layer. Okay, so I hope I covered all the layers. Okay, so now in order to solve this Rubik's cube, first of all, find the centerpiece. Okay, centerpiece, which is the centerpiece, yellow centerpiece. Okay, so you can see that this is the yellow centerpiece. Okay, so this is the yellow centerpiece out here. Now I'll let you know what's this piece is. Okay, so this piece that contains 3 colors: red, blue, white. This piece also contains 3 colors: white, green, and red. Okay, these are the corner pieces. Okay, corner pieces has 3 colors in it. Okay, so 3 colors, whichever corner piece you look at, it should have 3 colors in it: white, orange, green. Okay, so this is the corner piece. Now the edge piece has only 2 colors. Okay, so you can see orange and yellow out here, white and red. These are the edge pieces. Okay, so these are the edge pieces, these are the edge pieces. Okay, so that's it. Okay, now let's go and solve the first layer. Okay, so I just wanted you to get familiar with this Rubik's cube before just starting to solve it. Okay, so find the centerpiece out here, make sure it's yellow. Okay, so it's so that it will be easier for you to learn. Okay, so find the yellow centerpiece, hold it, this Rubik's cube, this way. Okay, so that the yellow falls on the top. Okay, this yellow centerpiece, so above this yellow should face the ceiling. Okay, so you can't hold this way, just hold it this way, so that this yellow is on the top and this is facing the ceiling of your home. Okay, so of course if you are in outside your home, it should face the skies. Okay okay, so once you go and find this yellow centerpiece, let's go and find white edge pieces. Okay, so let's go and find edge pieces that contains white. Okay, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 white edge pieces out here. Remember, edge pieces contain just 2 colors. Okay, so this is an edge piece, but it does not contain white. Okay, we need white here, white here, white here, and white here. This is the very first step. Okay, so let's go and find white. Okay, so you can see edge pieces are out here, but we need white out here. So just look here, if you just rotate and check, you can see this white edge piece is out here. Now all we have to do is rotate it so that this white edge piece comes besides this yellow. Okay, now let's go and find another white edge piece. Okay, so it's out here. Now again, if you do this, you can see that we found 1 2. Now if you rotate this, once you start solving one, another one also comes, it's ready to be solved. Okay, and the third one is out here. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to bring the 4 white edge pieces out here. Okay, so let's do this for this one also. Okay, so I'll just scramble this cube so that we can solve 2 cubes at once. Okay, because sometimes there is a complication where people get stuck. Okay, so I'll show you how. Okay, okay, now this is our first step is to bring the 4 white edge pieces out here. Okay, do this for, let's do this for this Rubik's cube as well. Okay, so you can see one is already there, yellow is facing the top. Let's go and find another one. Okay, so another one is here. Let's go and see. So you can see that there are no more white edge pieces. Okay, so where are they? It's here. Okay, so if it's out here, it's even easier. Okay, so this is on the top and white is on the bottom. Okay, facing the bottom. So you just have to rotate and bring it to the top. Okay, so now let's look for the last white edge pieces. Okay, now you can see that we solved these 2. Okay, so it doesn't matter if this one and this one is white or any other color. Okay, we are just looking to bring 4 white edge pieces. Okay, so 4 white edge pieces. Okay, and this is the first step. Okay, so now after you go and, so if you are confused, okay, so I'll just sorry, okay, I'll do this. Okay, so we are looking for this 4 white edge pieces. Okay, so it doesn't matter if other 2 are white. Okay, if it's this, it's also good, but okay, so this is also good. Okay, so I don't want you to get confused if you go and find other white edge pieces. It's also here. Okay, it's okay for them to be here, but these are compulsory. Okay, so these 4 white edge pieces are compulsory. Okay, so this is the first step. So after you do this first step, now look at the color side color of this edge piece. Okay, that means of this white edge piece, you just look at this color. This is green. Okay, so just go and rotate this upper layer. Okay, remember I taught you this is the upper layer. Okay, just rotate this upper layer so that these 2 colors matches. Okay, so you can see these 2 colors, green and the center piece should match. Okay, so as soon as you find a match, just rotate. Remember, yellow is always on the top. Okay, rotate it. Sorry, what did I just do? I just oh, where's the yellow? Okay, I did this. Okay, sorry. Okay, now as soon as you go and find a match out here, what you have to do is this. This is the front, this is the top layer, remember. Okay, this is the top layer, remember, and this is the front layer. Okay, this is the front layer, and you just have to, as soon as you find a match, just rotate it 180 degrees so that this comes below out here. Okay, so you can see that the green was here and here. Now this green came from here to here. Okay, now do this the same for others. Okay, other edge pieces, this and this. Now red, let's go and find the red center. Okay, so you can see this red and red has matched. As soon as you find it, rotate it 180 degree. Now let's do this for orange. Orange is out here. Now it's a match, so you just turn it 180 degree. Now the last one, blue and blue, is already there, so just rotate 180 degree. Now yellow is in the top. Where are the white? You saw it? It's a white cross. Okay, so if you're confused, I'll do this once more for you guys. Okay, so once you go and find the 4 white edge pieces, just make sure you match it. So this one is already matched, so you just rotate it 180 degree. Now this is also already matched, rotate it 180 degree, rotate it to 180 degree, and rotate it 180 degree, and form the white cross. Okay, just form the white cross. You can see this. Okay, so now the next step, I'm doing it 2 times so that you are not confused at all. Okay, so Next thing what you can do is, again, just make sure that white cross has been formed on the bottom, but always hold the cube so that the yellow faces the ceiling or the sky. Okay, so after that, once you go and solve this, now let's look at this corner pieces. Okay, so just look at this corner pieces. Now find corner pieces that contains white in it. Okay, so now for example, this corner piece do not contain white. Okay, it has orange, blue and yellow, but we need to find a corner piece. Remember, corner piece has three colors. Okay, so and this has three colors, but we need to find a corner piece that contains white in it. Okay, so red, green and white. Okay, so this one is the corner piece we are looking for. And okay, so this is also a corner piece we are looking for because it has white. Okay, so just go and just find any corner piece. Okay, you can find this one or this one, whichever you find first. Just go and just look at it. Okay, and you can see that this corner piece has white in it. Now look at this other two colors. It has blue and it has orange. Okay, so now find the center piece of blue and orange. Okay, so let's go and find orange center pieces out here and blue center pieces out here. Okay, so you can see that orange, we just found blue and orange centerpiece. White is already white is, you do not have to worry about white. You just have to make sure that this corner piece contains white. Okay, and just look at these other two colors, that is blue and orange. Okay, now just rotate the top layer so that you can see blue, orange. The corner piece that contains blue and orange comes just above this to center. Okay, so you can see when you are holding this Rubik's cube, you have to make sure that blue, orange, these two colors are in between these two, their respective center pieces. Okay, so that means blue, orange. Okay, so once you go and find this corner piece that contains blue and orange, hold this Rubik's cube this way so that one of the colors, one of the centerpiece is here and one centerpiece is facing you. Okay, so just hold this Rubik's cube this way and do this algorithm. Okay, so this is called the right algorithm because you have to do it on the right hand side of your Rubik's cube. Okay, when you are holding it this way, you can't hold it this way. Okay, so right algorithm, you have to hold it this way so that this corner piece that contains white in it fall on the right hand side. Okay, so after you do that, let's go and do the right algorithm. Now in order to do the right algorithm, you need to follow the instruction. Okay, so right, when I say R, that means you have to rotate the right layer clockwise motion. Okay, so you know clock rotates this way. Okay, clockwise motion, this way clock rotates this way, so that when you see R, you have to rotate it once clockwise motion. Okay, now U means this is also clockwise motion, so you do this U. Now when you see R prime, that means you have to rotate it anti-clockwise. Okay, so when you say U prime, you have to rotate it anti-clockwise. Okay, so you just did the right algorithm. Okay, so and you can see that this corner piece has been matched with this edge pieces. Okay, so you can see this color and this color is same, and this color and this color is same. Okay, so if you look below, you can see that we just solved this part already. Okay, so we did it in one go, but sometimes it takes more than one right algorithm. Actually, it takes more than one right algorithm to solve this. Okay, so I'll give you an example. Let's go and solve this another corner piece. Okay, so now again go to the top layer and find the corner piece that contains white in it. This contains white in it, and other two colors are red and blue. Okay, so red center is out here, so if you rotate it this way, you can see out here blue, red. Now the corner piece, we just bought it just above these two colors. Okay, so we bought it just above these two colors, and again now just hold this Rubik's cube this way and do the right algorithm. R, U, R prime, U prime. See, we just solved this one also. Okay, now let's do this for another corner piece. Let's go and find another corner piece. Now you can see green, red and white. Okay, so green center is out here, so if you just rotate this upper layer, we just bought the corner piece just above this. Okay, so now again do the right algorithm, but this time it won't get solved in one go. Okay, so I'll sometimes if the white was facing the right hand side out here, it will get solved in one go, but in this case you'll have to do more than once the right algorithm. Okay, right algorithm: R U R prime U prime. So you did it once, but it's not yet solved. Okay, so just to repeat the right algorithm again: R U R prime U prime. Not yet solved. R U R prime U prime. Not yet solved. R U R prime U prime. Not yet solved. Now I think it will get solved now. Now you can see after doing 4 times we just solved this corner piece also. Okay, now let's see which one is left. Now only one is left. Okay, so you can see out here the corner piece that contains green and orange. Green center is here, orange center is here. We just move this upper layer so that it comes out here, and we do the right algorithm again. Okay, so R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime, R U R prime U prime. Congratulations, you just learned how to solve the first layer of this 3x3 Rubik's Cube. After you solve this first layer, if you want to learn how to solve the second layer and the last layer, please subscribe to my channel if you have not, and watch my previous videos on how to solve the second layer, how to solve this last layer, and I have also given some tricks and tips on how to do it fast. Okay, so this is a very easy beginner method, and if you want to learn the patterns, new patterns, and if you want to learn how to solve this Rubik's Cube fast way, please do not forget to subscribe and watch my videos. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. You guys are awesome. I'll leave the links to the videos, tutorials for the second and last layer in the description of this video, so that you can go and watch them. Thank you and bye bye.